What if your project management tool wasn't just for managing projects? What if it could act as a messenger, a central command center, and an automation engine all at once? Well, here comes the good news. With FluentBoards supporting outgoing webhooks, it's now more than possible. You can now seamlessly connect FluentBoards to Slack, Microsoft Teams, Discord, Telegram, or any other tool you can think of. And to make it simple, this tutorial will show you how to connect FluentBoards with Telegram. So let's dive in. Search for botfather and type the command /new bot to create a new one. Following the message, let's write a name for the bot. And here comes the credentials you need. Let's copy the bot token and add it to the group or channel where the notifications are to appear. Well, the first step is done successfully. In this step, we'll need an automation tool like Zapier, Make.com, or N8N. So for this tutorial, we're going with Zapier. Once you open Zapier, you will see the Zap right there. Tap on it and pick webhook as the trigger. And the trigger event will be a catch hook. Skipping the configure option, let's move on to the test. This is perfect to see whether the webhook will function perfectly or not. It works. So let's copy the link for now. There's another step left, but before that, let's quickly set up the webhook URL in FluentBoards. Moving into the FluentBoards settings, you can easily spot incoming and outgoing webhooks. Now, to set the new webhook, I'll click on the Add New button. So let's start by giving our webhook a unique name. The next thing is the payload URL. That's where we need to paste the URL we just created in Zapier. Now, pick the board and choose the triggers when the flow will be activated. And of course, save the changes. Well, our work is done here. Now let's get back to Zapier. The event trigger is set. It's time to set the action. So let's go for Telegram. As I want to receive a message whenever a task is created or any other action occurs in FluentBoards. Let's select the action trigger, send message. The account selection is crucial. If I tap on the box, it will take me to another page where I can provide the bot token. We have created the bot earlier, so all I need to do is paste the bot code. Here you go, the account is connected. The chat ID is selected already and the text format is as it is. Remember, the message text is very important because this is the thing that will reach your account. So make sure it's perfect. We have got an option to run a test here, but let's skip it and see it for real. It's time to publish the webhook and see it in action. Let's create a task on the board we connected with Telegram. And Eureka! As you can see, just as I create a new task, a notification pops up instantly in my Telegram. So from now on, everything will be in sync. And with every change, I'll get an instant notification without having to visit the board each time. With this setup, you will never have to ask what's the latest update again. So from now on, FluentBoards is powerful than ever. FluentBoards keeps everyone in sync, automatically using an outgoing webhook. So go ahead, set it up once and watch your workflow run on autopilot. Don't forget to grab FluentBoards to simplify your project management in WordPress like never before. Grab it now.